Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday, June the 26th, 2020. The second Sudoku is a 2-star Sudoku. And before I start, let us count how many digits are printed. We have here 4 plus 3 7 plus 4 11 12 13 plus 4 17 plus 4 21 plus 4 25 26, and the previous one was 27. So 26 printed numbers, 2-star Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. We have a 6 in this column, a 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. But we have a 6 here, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. There 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 6, here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 6, here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. How about the 8? 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. Here also an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Can I do this with another number? Let me see. How about the number? 2, 2. No. Yeah. Okay. 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here also 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left. In this row, the first row, the missing numbers are the 9 and the 7. I cannot do anything with the 9 and the 7. Let's go do 3, 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 3 should be there. How about the number? Yeah, we have a pair here. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those numbers are the 5 and the 7. We have a 5 and a 7 here. So no 5 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. I mark them so it's easier to follow. Oh! Apologies. I have bumped the camera. Oh, apologies. So what are those other numbers? The numbers are the 1, the 4, and the 2. We see here 2 and a 1, so no 2 and a 1 in this box. 1 digit left for the 4. The 1 and the 2 goes here, the 1 and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the second column. For the number 9, 9 is missing, yes. Then we see here all right. How about 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? Yes. This box cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5, cannot be a 6, cannot be a 7, cannot be an 8, cannot be a 9. So should be a 1. Yes, 1. With a 1 in this last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 7. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this third row. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 9 and 4. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. Yes. 2 in this column, 2 in one of those 2 column boxes in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 2 should be here. I've marked these 2 boxes with 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, so here cannot be a 5. This should be the 5, and this should be the 4. Then 4, 9. Okay. We have now 2 numbers left in the first row. The 7 and the 9 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 4. Cannot fill this yet. 5 and 4 need more information. How about these two? The 9 and the 3 are missing. We have 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 7. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 numbers should be the 5 and the 3. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 5 and the 3. That means we have a 5 here. 5 and the 3. The other 2 numbers in this column, 5 and the 3, those are the numbers 9 and the 7. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be the 7. Then 9 in this row, 9 in the row below, the middle row. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there, but I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 numbers left in the middle row. The missing numbers here in this row are the 5 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 5 and 3. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then